Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Love of Biology. Please subscribe and also comment if you have any doubt. Today I am going to discuss you about neat important points from the biological classification chapter. Aristotle, he is the father of biology. He divided all the living organisms into two types. Those are plants and animals. Plants again he divided into herbs, small delicate plants, shrubs, bushy plants, trees, woody and perennial plants. Animals he divided into anemia and anemia. That means non-red blood containing and red blood containing organisms. Next kingdom system was started. Two kingdom system was proposed by Linnaeus. They are Plantae and Animalia. Three kingdom system Ernst Haeckel. He included Protista. Four kingdom system was proposed by Copeland. He included Monerans. Five kingdom system was proposed by R.H. Whitaker and he included the fungi. Six kingdom system was proposed by Carl Woese. He divided Monerans into Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Later, three domain system was also proposed by Carl Woese. Those three domains are Archaea, Bacteria and Eukarya. So, five kingdom system proposed by R.H. Whitaker. Here he included first kingdom is Monera. In this, all prokaryotes included. They are Archaebacteria, Xerophile, Saltaria, Thermoestophile can tolerate higher temperature methanogens. It will produce a biogas with the Pseudomurium cell wall. And these are anaerobic, present in harsh areas. Eubacteria. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan or murion and mesosomes are present. Mesosomes will divide and also undergo reproduction for respiration, for the for energy production, they will help mesosomes. Monerans. Cyanobacteria, first oxygenic photosynthetic organism. This is very important for the need. It will fix the nitrogen in heterocyst. They have a special cell called heterocyst. And asexual reproduction, they will undergo by special cells, Hormogonia and the echinates. Algal blooms will be formed. That means they will pollute the water. And red color of the seed due to the Trichodesmium erythridium organism, so which will cause red color of the seed. Later, mycoplasmas, these are pleomorphic because cell wall is absent, so it can change its shape. They are smallest living organisms and anaerobic. They are parasitic cause which just bloom in the plant, pneumonia in the cattle and urethritis in the humans, that is urinary infection. Next kingdom, Protista. All unicellular eukaryotes are included in this. First one is chrysophytes, diatoms and desmites are included. Cell wall is made up of silica with thin overlapping shells which will look like a soap box. They are epitheca. Upper wall is called epitheca, lower wall is called hypotheca. And spores will undergo sexual reproduction. Here spores are oxospores, they are rejuvenatory spores. Dinoflagellates. So these are two flagella are present. One is transverse and other one is a longitudinal in between the cellulose plates of the cell wall. These are called as whirling whips based on their movement. And bioluminescent which will emit the light. Example, Noctulina. Red tides are caused due to the Goniolux dinoflagellate. They release the toxins so they can kill the fishes or other aquatic organisms. Molds, these are saprophytes. Cell wall is absent. In favorable conditions, Plasmodium is formed. Plasmodium is a outgrowth of the slime molds. It is a unicellular one and the cell wall is absent. So the Plasmodium will grow in the favorable conditions. Later in unfavorable conditions, fruiting body they will produce from which the spore formation will takes place. So Plasmodium will helps in the spore formation. Each spore later develops into the new organism. Next is Euglenoid. So Euglenoid which is a cellular protista without cell wall. It also have two flagella, one is long and one is short. Cell membrane is present, protein layer, that is pellicle. This is very important question. This will act as an autotroph in presence of the sunlight and act as heterotroph in absence of the sunlight. This is another important point about the Euglena. They have cytopharynx, eye spot. So here you can see the chloroplast is present, a nucleus, normal cell we can see. It will undergo division by the longitudinal binary fission. It have a palmella, one important stage in unfavorable conditions. Protozoans, primitive animals, these are without cell wall. So based upon the movement, these are divided into amoeboid protozoans. So they will move with the pseudopodia which are the cytoplasmic extensions. Amoeba is the example. Ciliated protozoan move with the help of cilia, example paramecium, which will cause the digestive disease. Flagellated protozoan move with the help of flagella, trypanosoma, it will cause the sleeping sickness. And sporozoans which can't move and they will produce the spores, example Plasmodium, cause the malaria in human beings. Next kingdom, fungi. So this is a heterotrophic organisms, multicellular eukaryotes. Here you can see the structure, filamentous structure. Each filament we call them as a hyphae, and complete network of the filaments, hyphae, we call them as mycelium. So at the base, at the tip, you can see the fruiting body, sporangium. Inside the spores it will produce, these spores will develop into the new organism. And the cells, these are multicellular cells, are made up of chitin. Chitin, a polysaccharide, and these are heterotrophic, parasitic, which cause diseases, saprophytes, which will depend on the dead organic matter, Chensai in relation with algae, and mycorrhizal habitata, which will be in the symbiotic association with higher plant root. Sexual reproduction by plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis in the zygote, which results in the spores which develop into the new fungi. Plasmogamy is a fusion of the two hyphae, karyogamy is a fusion of the nucleus, and meiosis generally takes place in the gametes, but here it is taking place in the zygote. Produces spores. So three types of the sexual reproductions you can see: isogamy, fusion between the two similar gametes; anisogamy, between the two dissimilar gametes fusion takes place, then it is anisogamy. Isogamy is also one type of anisogamy where always male will be small and motile with flagella, and female is larger and non-motile, but both are dissimilar. In anisogamy, however, it will be smaller raj, or female will be smaller raj, but dissimilar. See a few important fungal diseases. Spots on the mustard leaf by the albugo, it will cause rust in wheat by Pacenia, smut in sorghum by Astilago, red rot of sugarcane by Trichum, is a bread mold, early blight in rice by the Alternaria. So these are the organisms which will cause different diseases in the plants. They will also cause diseases in the animals, human beings. They will cause the diseases. These are important ones. Remember these. Okay, along with these diseases, they will also produce antibiotics like penicillin, and mushrooms. Edible mushrooms are also fungus. Bread making yeast, Saccharomyces, alcohol producing, all these are also included on the fungal. Along with, they also cause the diseases. So next, coming to the different classes of the fungus. So fungi are divided into 4 classes. So let us see one by one. First class is Phycomycete. Here common names for the 4 classes are very important, need important questions. Phycomycetes, commonly called algal fungi. Ascomycete, commonly called as sac fungi. Basidiomycete, commonly called as a club fungi or the puff balls. Deuteromycetes, these are the imperfect fungi. So these common names for 4 different classes you should remember. So mycetes or mycology mean that fungi. So myco means fungi. So here Phycomycete, Ascomycete, Basidiomycete, and Deuteromycetes, 4 classes. So let us see first algal fungi. It is an aseptate. In between the 2 cells, one partition is present called septa, that is absent in the algal fungi. So all the nucleus is present. So cenocytic, that means multinucleated. Example: mucor, rhizopus, albugo, etc. Sac fungi are uninucleate and septa is present. So examples are Aspergillus, which will produce the citric acid. Neurospora, in experiments it is used in biological experiments. Penicillinum produce the penicillin. Yeast helps in the alcohol and bread making, etc. Club fungi are branched. These are branched and septate. And asexual spores as along with their sex organs are also absent here. Example: this is Agaricus mushroom, Astilago, Polyporus, etc. And imperfect fungi are biofertilizers and also helps in the mineral science. So trichum sugar red rot will causes by the imperfect fungi. Trichoderma is under imperfect fungi. And next kingdom, plant kingdom. Plants are autotrophic and partially heterotrophic, which are divided into phanerogams and cryptogams, that is flowering and non-flowering plants. Again, they are divided into many types. We will discuss in the plant kingdom chapter. Next, animal kingdom. So animal kingdom, here all the heterotrophic organisms included under this without cell wall, and these are again divided into vertebrates and non-vertebrates based upon the vertebral column. So these are divided. So we also discuss this kingdom Animalia in the coming videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.